Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Rwd Status, chilling here with your boy Status, and we had a major update on what's going on with the Rb30. We've had some catastrophic failure, I should say. Hopefully it can be fixed or repairable at this point. We don't know. Just give me a minute, I'll take you inside to take a look at everything. I actually ended up pulling the motor out, and reason is because I'm getting crank walk, guys. I'm getting freaking crank walk. How I'm getting it, why I'm getting it, I do not know. We're leaning towards the thrust washers. Everything was completely assembled, machined, and everything done at Mazworks, so I don't see that being a problem. However, you know, things do happen, problems happen, mistakes happen. It really does suck, but it is what it is, and hopefully we get it fixed pretty soon. You know, it's one of those things that just really just suck. I put my heart and soul into this motor. It's not over yet, so I'm just gonna keep trying until I prevail, if I can. It's like the RB curse, oh my god, freaking RBs, right? God. So I've been super depressed about it. I mean, I don't know what else I could be about it. It's like, oh yeah, woo, shitty motor. But right now I just been trying to, you know, build up the motivation to get back at it, build up the money to get back at it. It's just been difficult. I just want to drive really bad. Everybody has been driving, competing, tandeming, just getting seat time, just having fun in general. And I haven't driven in like a year, you know what I mean? Like it sucks really bad. So I just wanted to let you guys know what is going on, give you an update. It's not over yet, till the fat lady sings, apparently, some shit like that. All right, let's just go in here, check out these this freaking Rb30 26 pain in my fucking ass, and give you a little quick runaround or rundown on what happened here. Yeah. All right, so this is where PHP is, Powerhouse Performance. So all their information, contact. Make sure you hit him up, bro. He's a really good guy, trustworthy guy, which is really hard to find in performance automotive, you know what I mean? Knowledgeable, meticulous, the guy really knows his stuff. Did you guys just see me like go for, it's not even on that freaking side. Over here, let's go, yeah. A little packed in here right now, throwing in some lifts. It's the owner right there, that's JR. What's up, bro?
What's up, Mama?
And, oh, yeah, guys, check this out. Another badass Subi build. This guy is known, I'm serious, known for just building Subaru monsters. Like just, everything he builds is a monster, guys, everything. So, all right, but there she is, sitting on the floor where she belongs because she's fucking garbage. This is really depressing. You guys are wondering why I haven't been posting in so long. It's like, yeah, it just took me a little bit more than a year to put a motor together for it to go kaboom for nothing. Just fall apart. But as you can see, I just assembled everything. I took off the throttle bot, the ITBs, freaking manifolds, oil cooler. Everything's completely disassembled. Cold side and the hot side. You know what I mean? All right, so let me explain to you what's going on. We got crank walk from the clutch, flywheel area, all the way to the freaking crank, guys. And there's no bullshit parts on here. Hold on, let me clear this up for you. You know, we got a fluid dampener. Everything was brand new. Everything's spec'd properly. Everything is assembled properly. Then we got the ACT single clutch that we put in. I mean, every precaution possible. We have the middle head drain, which I'm gonna actually switch around, put it on this side. I'm gonna re-weld the oil pan, get the oil pan extended in the meantime. I'm gonna go into this freaking bathroom over here and just cry in the corner, you know what I mean? But I gotta keep moving forward, you know what I mean? And I really do appreciate you guys for motivating me, keeping me up, making sure that I stay on this build and just don't give up. This is the crazy part. This thing doesn't even have 500 miles on the block. Not even 500, where I just hit 500 miles when this started happening. I was on 2 pounds of boost, guys, 2 PSI. Literally like 200 wheel horsepower. That's nothing. There should not be a single problem in the world with this motor. it is what it is though. The actual plans for me as of right now, I already pulled the motor out. I have the chassis sitting at my house for now, all wrapped up, keep her clean, nice and dry. It's raining like crazy over here. But to the point, pulled the motor out as you can see there. We're gonna be taking it to MazWorks hopefully sometime this week to next week. Bring it to their attention. This will be the third time I bring the block back to them, guys. I am not in any way downing or talking shit about MazWorks. I love MazWorks. I've always supported them. Yeah, guys, I just can't see how this happened. Like this, I personally feel it's an assembly issue, but you never know. Things happen, mistakes happen. I'm not blaming anybody, pointing fingers. Don't take anything negative out of this video as far as MazWorks. We will find out what's going on as soon as we get to the shop. You know, drop the motor off, have them do an inspection, see where the mistakes were, and you know the conditions. So if there's any machining needed, I'm gonna have MazWorks go ahead and do that. Then we will see, obviously, or not obviously, I might need thrust washers, I might need some other parts, the appropriate parts or whatever is needed. We'll see once we get the diagnosis. Guys, I'm so depressed with this whole thing. It's just like, I literally feel it right here in my heart. I wanted to be slaying, I wanted to be drifting, I haven't spent so long. Anyway, once we get the motor completely reassembled, which will be happening within the next month or so, guys, just let's pray that we can get this done in a feasible time, because it is race season. So MazWorks is going to be, you know, doing their traveling thing, going all over freaking United States or whatever they do for their you know, the race season competition, wherever they're going to be competing. All right, so I'm not going to draw this video out too long. I want it to be a fairly short video, just like an update on what's going on and why I haven't been posting anything. Does the car still exist? Did I sell the car? Been contemplating on selling it now, but I won't. I swear, guys, I really won't. Not unless I had a better chassis or a better opportunity to continue on in the automotive industry. I'm not going to just give up like that. I mean, we've come a long way with that chassis. A one-of-a-kind motor, you know, it's just such a pain. But yeah, that's the next plan. So next update's gonna be, or the next video might be me bringing the motor down to MazWorks, having them take care of all that. Cleaning up the chassis. I need to, you know, it's been about a year or so since we had the body kit and everything installed, so it needs some cleaning up. Need just some small things, you know, just keep myself motivated and not stop until the motor comes back, and then we can start slaying again, you know. I'm just hoping after this whole entire rebuild, second rebuild or whatever you want to call it, that there won't be a necessary break-in time, so I can just get out there and start slaying again. It's crazy. But it's not too bad. Most of the team, literally Aricio and some other members, have taken their car down. Aricio's doing a transmission swap. I'm not sure if I should have said that yet. You guys go check out his channel at SC Factory, and he'll fill you in. I'm not sure if he's updated in a while either, to tell you the truth. Yeah, got a lot of big builds here at Powerhouse Performance coming, and I'm going to be showing you in detail what's up, as well as a really sick 2JZ Genesis that my boy Benny did over at Full Circuit Performance. Full Circuit Performance, Full Circuit Fabrications. It's one of those. But yeah, a lot of amazing stuff going around. Unfortunately, just nothing so great for me because my motor doesn't work. So that being said, guys, I will be busting ass, making sure that you know, we get everything up and running correctly so that we can go out to the streets, get some sick videos, hit to the track. And this year I want to travel. I want to hit maybe my first competitions. I want to, you know, I want to explore a little bit more. Yeah, guys, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna wrap it up today, and thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, liking, thanks for following, and I really do appreciate the patience, guys. We're gonna be giving you a full update, and the car is not over yet. So, all right, guys, thanks for tuning in to Rb30 Status, chilling here with your boy Status. Much love, guys. Thanks for the support. Peace.